Hello everyone. So we are back today with a nice maths Olympiad problem. Here is x multiplied by x. This dot means multiplication. Add to x is equals to 12. So with me is Teacher John. I want to take you through this within the shortest time possible. So don't go away. Don't go any further. We want to work this one out. So let's begin with the first thing. So the first step that we are going to begin, we want to start solving this maths problem quickly, the solution. So under the solution we have x. So x multiply by x, then add to x again is equals to 12. So the first thing that you do, we want to write this problem in the simplest term over. So x multiplied by x, so our answer now shall be x squared, then add to this x here is equals to 12. Then we have now formed an equation. So let's now form the quadratic equation. So our quadratic equation shall be the x squared add to x. So we have to bring this 12 to this other side. So that one shall be minus 12 is equals to 0. Now we all know that we've now formed the quadratic equation. So this quadratic equation now hence we have a, b and c. So our a is x is 1, so 1 squared is still be 1. Then our b which is x is 1. Then our c, that's why we say and c is minus 12. So we want to solve this problem by using the quadratic formula. So what is our quadratic formula? So our quadratic formula says this. So it always says that x is equals to minus b plus or minus the square root. So you write 12 the square root of b squared minus 4ac of all these ones all over 2a. So we are just about to complete. Just hold on as we are working it out step by step. So here we now say that x is equals to, so minus b, our b was 1, so 1 minus 1, so we shall have minus 1 here. So plus or minus the square root of, so our b is 1, so the square root of 1 squared, then subtract from 4, so 4. Then ac means that we are going to take 1, so multiply by 1, multiply by c, and our c is minus 12. So all these ones all over 2a. So our 2 multiplied by a was 1. So 2 multiplied by 1. So our next step is to work out all the numbers that we are having. So here we shall say that now x is equals to, now here minus 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 squared. So 1 squared minus, so I want us to work out all this. 4 multiplied by 1 is 4, multiplied by minus 12. So we shall have plus 48, because minus 4 times 12 is minus 48. So minus and minus brings plus 48, and plus 48 all over 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. So we shall have our 2 there. So let's now work out this x. So our x shall be equals to minus 1 plus or minus 1 squared is 1 plus 48. So we shall have 49 there all over 2. So all over 2. Remember it's a square root, so we shall have it there as a square root. So that is to mean that our x, so we shall now conclude that our x is equals to, so we shall have minus 1 plus the square root of 49 all over 2, or our x can also be minus 1, then this one minus the square root of 49 all over, these ones all over 2. So finally, our x now shall be, so we shall say now that x is equals to, when you work out minus 1 plus the square root of 49, the square root of 49 automatically becomes 7. So minus 1 plus 7 over 2. So there we shall have our answer 6 out of 2. And our 6 out of 2, the answer becomes 3. So 3, or, so let's work out this one now. Minus 1 plus the square root of 49. Here now we shall have minus 8 over 2, which is equals to minus 4. So here now we shall say that x is equals to 3, or x is equals to minus 4. So that is the end of this video. So if you really love this video, please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.